SCE Healthcare Private Limited is Sri Lanka's WHO, GMP and EU GMP compliant pharmaceutical, cosmeceutical and nutraceutical manufacturer, which is also certified by the Department of Ayurveda for herbal cosmeceuticals. The SCE Healthcare manufacturing facility is also ISO 9001-2015 certified. We create science-backed personal care products to elevate everyday beauty and well-being. Welcome to SCE Healthcare, the home of LORA.
You're here at SCE Healthcare Private Limited, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices Certified, Pharmaceutical and Cosmeceutical Manufacturing Plant. Apart from that, we have ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification. Our facility is US FDA and EU GMP compliant. We have stringent vendor qualification system in place where we source materials only from approved qualified vendors. All our raw materials are stored in well-maintained warehouse under controlled environmental conditions. QC release approved materials are being dispensed for the production under microfee controlled environmental condition under equipment like RLAF. Raw materials are stored segregated as quarantine under test and approved in our warehouses.
Before entering the plant, all staff follow strict hygiene protocols and wear full personal protective gear to maintain a sterile, GMP-compliant environment.
In our production department, we have an adequate qualified team, GMP model equipment and HVAC systems in place. Manufacturing process is fully automated and documented. Throughout the process, from start to end, GMP controls are followed.
Carefully sourced ingredients are stored under controlled conditions and precisely blended using a proprietary formula to ensure consistent quality and performance. In our controlled blending room, ingredients are expertly mixed to achieve a consistent, high-quality formulation.
At SCE Healthcare, we are committed to delivering high-quality products you can trust. With our GMP-certified chemical and microbiology labs equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and our team of experienced qualified analysts are analyzing and testing the manufacturing process of LORA Collagen plus Vitamin C at every stage. So as quality control laboratory, we receive samples from the raw material and the packing material that gets used for manufacturing of LORA Collagen plus Vitamin C. After testing at QC only, production will continue use those material for manufacture. Just like that, while manufacturing the product itself, QC receives in-process samples where we verify the manufacturing process is adhering to the GMP requirement. After the in-process samples have been analyzed and the testing results have been communicated to production to continue, we would receive the finished product of the LORA Collagen plus Vitamin C, where we will verify the chemical and microbiological tests again before releasing it to the market. Because of our best source raw material, state-of-the-art manufacturing process and stringent monitoring of quality from start to end, every sachet of LORA Collagen plus Vitamin C is guaranteed to be a top quality product that you will come to love always.
The LORA Collagen plus Vitamin C blend is then filled, sealed and cut into individual sachets using advanced automated machinery, ensuring hygiene, accuracy and product integrity at every stage. At SCE Healthcare, quality comes first. Every LORA sachet is checked for consistency, then packed in sets of 30 using automated systems under expert supervision. From sourcing to packaging, we ensure safety and excellence at every step. Unleash your inner radiance with a premium collagen infusion with LORA.